Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be outside carving out here in the tent, but it's like crazy windy and loud, so I'm not going to be able to do a lot of talking out there. So I figured I'd give you guys the intro here in my messy shop. At least it's warm, the heat's going. It's kind of chilly out there. We're actually getting a little bit of snow. I'm not ready for it. It's too soon. October just ended, and yeah. Anyway, I got a custom order. We got to do 2 bears in a tree. We're going to have 1 bear on top looking down, another bear looking up, kind of like they're playing, like 2 little cubs. It's going to be just over 3 feet tall. Going to be carving it out of poplar. Be using the chainsaws, die grinders, saber-tooth burrs, all that good stuff to clean it up. Now, if you guys are just learning to carve and you want to be able to use some of those tools or bits that I'm using, be sure to check out the description down below where I will have Amazon links to everything, similar things, and so on. You guys purchase through those links. They help support the channel. I really do appreciate it. Also, you guys check out the Teespring account. Got this t-shirt design on there. My chainsaw runs on coffee right here. You guys can go there, get one of these shirts. I think I got it in long sleeve t-shirt, maybe some hoodies. I was gonna just carve in it, but honestly it's too cold, so I gotta throw a coat or a hoodie or something on, but I figured I'd at least show you guys the new shirt. So yeah, enough talking. Gotta go fire up the saws, start making some sawdust, and get this project done. Well guys, there it is. Paintwork is done. This really was a fun carve. Hopefully I'm not yelling too loud trying to speak over the wind, because man, it is a windstorm. It's crazy. This was a little difficult, just carving out of the poplar. It's a little bit harder than the pine, which I'm usually carving, but I think it came out really great. You know, you guys can get t-shirts like this through Teespring. You guys can also check out my social media links down below. You can find the link to my Etsy store. Also, I'll have links through Amazon for the tools and things like that that I'm using. Let's grab the camera. Let's walk around this thing real quick. Two cubs climbing a tree. Well, playing in a tree, I guess. Guy's got a cute little tail. Got his paw reaching up. That's, you know, separated there. This paw's separated a little bit too. He's looking down. He's looking up. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.